Oi, pessoal, a gente está aqui na estreia de Ted Lasso em Nova York e a gente pôde conversar com alguns membros do elenco dessa nova temporada. So this is very exciting to have yet another season of Ted Lasso. What does it mean to you to be involved in this such a successful show?
I think it was the highlight of my life when I got the call saying that I was going to be in it. I've been such a big fan of the show since day one. I think I was on my third rewatch at the time. So to now be a part of it feels really, really special. It's very exciting.
Does working in this show change the way you watch football?
No. I think I'm still a fan. I still love it. And every time you're sort of watching a scene unfolding in front of you, you're just getting a sneak peek at a show that you already love.
I know, right? That is amazing to have that experience. What was the first day on set for you? Like when you got to see all these other characters, how was that effect for you?
I think on my first day we went out onto the pitch, and that was so overwhelming and just joyful, and everyone was so excited. The girls had already been playing football and stuff together anyway, so just to step into that was amazing. But I think for me, it was really when we got into like the locker room with the Believe sign and all of that. We've got Roy and Keely, Higgins, and like all these characters that I'd already fallen in love with. And then you just get to see a little bit of the magic happen in front of your eyes. It's amazing.
Were you able to turn off the because as you were saying, I'm a fan of the show, and I'm like, wow, it's like the set visit you wish to have. Can you turn that off and okay, I'm here to work,
I think there's a little bit of both. I think there's room for both as well. I think the fact that I loved the show so much actually just made me really excited to be there, which suits my character. She's a very excitable character, to be honest.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I think I was just able to match the two of them together, really.
I love that. And did you keep anything from the set or costumes?
No. And if I did, I wouldn't say it right now.
Oh, wow.
But no, I wish.
All right.
Next time, maybe.
Next time, for next season.
Yeah, next time I'll take Brett Goldstein.
I love that. Yes, I think that's a great plan. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
So lovely to talk
Thank
to you.
So nice to meet you. I love the show. And I have to say, your character is one of my favorites.
Oh, thank you.
You know, because she puts things in order and in perspective.
Yeah. Well, she's the punter, as we say in English. She's the audience for football, and it's very important to her. And I think she's been there, done it, worn the T-shirt, got drunk in it. So she understands human beings, and she sees all of it in her. I think you have to work really hard to get her on your side, but once you have, she's like a lioness.
To get her on your side, it's forever.
Yes, it is.
Now, one thing that I love is that we see her evolution of Ted conquering her, little by little, and all the characters kind of, she ends up accepting these new folks in. How much fun do you have playing this evolution, little by little every season, and now embracing this female football club, because that's a big thing even in the real world.
It's huge and very important. May and I grew up in a time when women couldn't play football. So that for her is fantastic and really to be relished. And I support the Lionesses, of course, why not? Who wouldn't? So things are revealed slowly, and every step is this is really good stuff. It's humane, as the show always is, but great fun as well. The women are brilliant, they're effervescent, really sparkling, full of life.
We during this whole red carpet, we've been interviewing the girls that play the players and asking what Ted would advise to them. But my perspective when I watch the show is that your character is the one that gives advices to Ted Lasso. She's the one that helps him understand the country, the sport, and the fans.
Yes.
So, what would be your advice to the actresses who are now joining this series? That really it's taking over the world. We're talking to Brazil. You guys are coming from England. So, what would be your advice for them embracing this new phase?
Embrace life. Share with others. We all need help. We're all important. We're all interesting. And grasp it while you can. Live.
I love that. Thank you so much.
My
what a pleasure. And congratulations on the amazing work. So this is so exciting because
It is.
like the show has been going on for a few years, and then you guys, how was that phone call?
So
Or like how-
surreal.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean, so surreal. I did one audition and then didn't hear anything for 3 months, as is so often the way. I just assumed it was never going to happen. And then got a call that I was playing Boots, which was so surreal. And I was just out doing some shopping and I thought, this is a prank call, clearly. Yeah.
And what a cool character too. Like she has a big personality.
Yeah.
It's very like we quickly know who she is.
Yeah,
How was developing her? Like how much fun did you have putting this character together?
so much fun. So much fun. It's such a dream to get to play a character who's so aggressive and confident and knows who she is and is like arrogant to the point of insanity. It's like that is a dream. You never get to play those people. So yeah, I mean she's just been the most fun, and you know, down to the costume, every team on this is just amazing. So down to the costume, the detail of how we build these characters is, you know, in every department just kind of like killer.
Now, does working in a show like this and playing a football player changes the way you watch football?
Big time. Oh, big time, yeah. I mean, I was a fan, but I'm now like an uber fan
Yeah.
of women's football. And I'm now watching it, often watching the goalies being like,
Yeah.
they're the hardest people in the world. They're so good. So yeah, I've become kind of obsessed. I'm now like an uber fan of some of them. We've got to meet some of them and I was very weird and got sort of hot and sweaty, that sort of stuff. Yeah.
Were you also obsessed with Vozinha like everybody else was obsessed with? The goalie from Cape Verde?
Yeah. I mean, that's just what I mean. Like, goalies just are perfect characters.
Yeah.
They're like ready-made, like amazing lunatics. Yeah,
Absolutely. You have to be
You have
be
to
the
be.
only person there.
Exactly, yeah.
Now, did you keep anything from the Saturn costumes?
Oh, did I keep anything? I kept a ring
Okay.
that we kind of had decided was a key ring for her because she uses it to punch people. So I kept that
That is
ring.
very boots-like.
It's very boots. So I kept that ring, and I've still got that. And I'll bring it back if we go again.
Oh, I love that. The last question
Yeah.
would be, what would Ted Lasso tell you as an actress entering this job? What would be his advice for you?
Oh, I think have the most fun and be aware of how lucky you are. I think that, yeah. Just like grateful stuff. Yeah.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations
Thanks.
again. So, first of all, this is amazing. Ted Lasso premiere
Yeah.
in New York.
Yeah.
So how does working in this show change the way you follow football? Does it change at all?
I don't think it changes it because I'm a massive football fan and have been since it's like religion where I grew up.
Same for us. Yeah.
So I don't think it's changed as much. I think it's made me more aware of how much I need to do to keep this conversation going around women and people with uteruses in sport and how we support them and how we champion them and how we work on the disparities within the men and the women's game.
Now, since you are a big football fan,
Yes.
what is who are your top players of this year's World Cup? Let's say
Oh,
3 top
wow.
players.
Oh, that's really difficult. I mean, you can't not say Messi, can you? You
I guess
can't. You can't. The man is a genius. I think Mbappe, I was very shocked that France got knocked out.
Me too.
I thought they were going to win it. And then I'm going to say the goalkeeper for Cape Verde.
Vozinha.
Yeah, because
Nice.
what a story, what a success story.
yeah.
And his mother being out, and he's 40. Yeah. So I'm going to say those three.
I think we all fell in love with Vozinha.
Yeah, you've got to. I followed him on Instagram. I joined that train.
So did I, and
Yeah.
Haaland.
Yeah.
Really-
Oh, I mean, Haaland is a darling. Norway, they were like the darlings of the
Yeah.
competition. They were great. So yeah.
We lost for them, so we're still a
Yeah.
little harsh.
Well,
but, you
okay,
know.
yeah.
But it's
Ooh.
fine. It's
Whoops.
fine.
It's
Yeah.
fine. It's a World Cup.
Sports
It's fine.
spirit.
It's fine.
Now, what do you think would be the advice Ted Lasso would give to you, by joining this? Because Ted Lasso has the best advices. What would he tell you?
Me as fair or
you as fan? Yeah.
Ted Lasso would tell me to not worry so much. It's going to happen anyway, and you're going to be okay.
I love that.
Yeah.
And did you keep anything from the Saturn costumes?
Did I keep anything? I don't think we were allowed. I know some of the other team managed to get some things. I don't think I kept maybe a pair of socks. I'm pretty good. I like to fold my clothes back up and put it back for the costume department. But next season, you better believe I'm having a full kit. I'm having it.
We count on that. We count on that. And we're
Yeah.
hoping for a Brazilian player too.
Oh yes, please. That
Right?
would- oh yes,
Let's
please.
start the campaign.
Well, one of the supporting artists, Evelyn, she's actually from Brazil. So we do have a Brazilian in this season, and she's lovely and she's brilliant at football. So
I love that.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Lovely
Thank
to
you.
meet you.
Lovely
Cheers.
meeting you.